So at this exact moment, our air quality isn't terrible. A lot of our state is in the green. There are some areas that are in the moderate or unhealthy or for sensitive groups, but less than we thought there would be by this time. So a sigh of relief, right? Right now? Well, that's not entirely true. Gordon talked to some doctors about the hidden effects to your heart and lungs long after a smoke clears.
The skies were clear and blue in the Twin Cities Tuesday.
Yes, right. Visibly, it looks good.
But Dr. Dorothy Curran says we're not in the clear yet when it comes to breathing problems and the wildfire smoke.
We definitely do see some patients who have lingering symptoms.
Curran is a pulmonologist at Hennepin Healthcare, and this summer she has worked with a lot of kids and adults with asthma and other breathing-related issues.
It's been busy, yeah.
And sometimes those conditions flare up even days after the smoke has cleared out.
We talk about coarse particles that are big that get filtered by your nose and the mucus in your respiratory tract.
Curran says the smaller particles often get trapped in our lungs, and it could take a few days for the particles and the inflammation to go away.
I do expect this week we might still see some calls.
And it's not just our lungs. Doctors say the wildfire smoke can also have a negative impact on our hearts.
We've seen in the hospital some increasing symptoms and consequences like heart attacks.
Dr. Andrea Olson is a cardiologist at Health Partners. She and her colleagues have worked on several cases where patients have experienced heart attacks, strokes, and other problems that may have been related to the wildfire smoke.
We recently had a situation where a young man in about his 30s came in, experienced a heart attack, and at first he had chest pain symptoms that he just thought were related to the wildfires themselves. But when symptoms got bad, he came into the hospital and we found that in fact he had a complete blockage of one of his arteries.
Dr. Olson says that patient is now recovering and doing okay. But his case serves as an important reminder that even healthy adults can run into health problems if they spend too much time working or exercising outside in bad air.
Symptoms to watch for would include chest pain, trouble breathing, feeling your heart racing, pounding out of your chest.
Besides health issues related to our hearts and lungs, doctors say it's common to feel sluggish and have low energy days after the smoke clears.
I'm definitely feeling that, yes.
Dr. Curran says it's important to listen to your body and to take breaks if you're feeling fatigue, because we could see a few more air quality alerts before the summer is over.
But I know that there's still some fires still going on in Canada, so I know we're not totally out of the woods. Yeah.
Gordon Severson, KARE 11 News.
Yeah, it's still hot and still dry in Canada, so this could be several more weeks. Thanks so much, Gordon, for the report. We will be right back.